In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Jamaica with Sendwave. By the end, you'll be confident sending funds quickly and safely from download to delivery. First, grab the Sendwave app from your device's app store. Search for the official app and check the logo, reviews, and publisher to make sure you're getting the legitimate version. Install it and let it finish updating so you have the latest security and features. When it opens, allow notifications if you want real-time updates on your transfers. Next, open the app and either create a new account or log in. Sign up is straightforward. Follow the prompts on screen, and if the app asks you to verify your phone number or identity, complete that now so your transfers go through without delays. For added security, turn on biometrics or a passcode in your device settings so only you can access the app. Now add a payment method. Most people link a debit card or a bank account. Enter your details carefully, making sure the name matches your account. Double check the billing address and card number to avoid errors. If your bank uses extra verification, approve that prompt. Also confirm you have enough funds for the transfer plus any fees. With your account ready, select Jamaica as the destination country. This ensures the correct currency and local partner network are used, and it helps the app show you accurate fees, exchange rates, and estimated delivery times to Jamaica. Add your recipient in Jamaica, type their full legal name exactly as it appears on their ID, and include their phone number. If the transfer is going to a bank account, enter the bank details exactly as requested. A single typo can cause delays, so take a moment to review everything. Save the recipient so you can send to them faster in the future. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see the conversion into Jamaican dollars, along with any fees and the current exchange rate. Adjust the amount if you want the recipient to receive a specific total after fees. Make sure the summary reflects what you intend to send. Before you confirm, review all details: recipient information, destination country, amount, fees, exchange rate, and delivery estimate. When everything looks correct, approve the transfer using your app's security prompt. Your recipient then receives the money. For cash pickup, they'll need a valid ID and the reference details shown in your app. For bank deposits, funds post to the specified account once processed. Keep your confirmation handy and share the reference securely